Hello dear students, once again it's time for maths lecture. So open your maths textbook, open book page number 176. We have covered question number 1 in our previous lecture. Now question number 2, read the question carefully. What is the freezing point and boiling point of water in Fahrenheit scale? So, I request you all to open book page number 175. Now observe in your book. Look at here. Observe this figure. It is the figure of thermometer. It is the example figure of thermometer. And on this figure, you can observe on the top of on both sides of the figure, scales are written. From -40 to 50 here and from -40 to 120 here this side, right? Numberings are written, means these are two scales. One scale is showing degree centigrade, degree Celsius, right? Degree Celsius is also called as centigrade, and the other scale on the top of it, degree F is written. This degree F means Fahrenheit. As I already informed you that we measure temperature in two scales. One is degree C, another one is degree F. Degree C means centigrade and degree F means Fahrenheit. We measure temperature in two scales, therefore two scales are written on the thermometer. Okay? Now what is our question? Our question is, what is the freezing point and boiling point? So what is freezing point, do you know? Yes, freezing point is the point at which water becomes ice. Freezing point is the point of water at which it becomes ice. And what is boiling point? Boiling point is the point at which water starts boiling. Now here, according to question, we need to write freezing point and boiling point in Fahrenheit scale. So, question number 2. Question is, what is the freezing point and boiling point of water in Fahrenheit answer. Freezing point in Fahrenheit is equal to, and boiling point in Fahrenheit scale. Freezing point means at the point at which water becomes ice, and boiling point is the point at which water starts boiling. So in Fahrenheit, the value for it is 32 degree F. Degree F means Fahrenheit. At 32 degree F, water starts freezing, means it becomes ice. And at 212 degree F, remember these points, at 32 degree F, water starts freezing, and at 212 degree F, water starts boiling. Note down this point. This is the answer for question number 2. This is answer for question number 2. Okay, take the screenshot properly or note down it in your classwork copy. Okay, now I hope you have noted down. Now write one note which you need to remember always. Okay, so write a note here in your notebook. Write one note which you have to remember. Freezing point in Celsius is, and boiling point in Celsius. Freezing point in Celsius and boiling point in Celsius. You know what is the freezing point in Fahrenheit? 32 degree F. And what is the boiling point in Fahrenheit? 212 degree F. Now in Celsius. So remember this freezing point in Celsius is 0 degrees. 0 degree C. At 0 degree C water becomes ice. And at 100 degree C water starts boiling. So we remember these two things. What is the freezing point in Celsius? What is the freezing point in Fahrenheit? What is the boiling point in Celsius, and what is the boiling point in Fahrenheit? So note down this point. Freezing point in Celsius is 0 degree C. Sorry for inconvenience. Freezing point in Celsius is 0 degree C and boiling point in Celsius is 100 degree C. Freezing point means the point at which water freezes, means it becomes ice. And boiling point means the point at which water starts boiling. Okay, now we will solve the next question. That is question number 3. Read question number 3. Question number 3 is convert the following temperatures into Fahrenheit scale. Here what you need to do, your temperature is given in centigrades and you will convert this centigrade temperature into Fahrenheit scale. So for converting we will use one formula, or you can say it as hint. We will use a formula to convert it, which is, as a hint I am writing here, you can say hint, or it is a formula which you will use. So if you want to convert from degree F, अगर आप फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल बनाना चाहते हैं तो आपको क्या करना है, राइट डिग्री F इक्वल्स टू डिग्री C मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रैकेट ओपन डिग्री C मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9/5 ब्रैकेट क्लोज प्लस 32. It is the formula. It is the formula which we will use to convert in Fahrenheit. अगर आपको फ़ारेनहाइट में स्केल में कन्वर्ट करना है सेल्सियस को सेंटीग्रेड को, तो what you will do, you will use this formula which is Fahrenheit is equals to bracket open degree C multiply 9/5 bracket close plus 32. Okay, now we will solve question number A. Question number A. What is given temperature? Observe, the given temperature is 35 degree C. 35 degree C is the given temperature. What is your task? Read the question. Convert 35 degree C temperature into Fahrenheit. Means what is your task? You will convert this 35 degree C into Fahrenheit. So we have formula to convert. Observe here. We want to convert degree C into Fahrenheit. So I am writing here. We know that. What we know that? We know that degree Fahrenheit is equals to degree C multiplied by 9/5 bracket close plus 32. Right? Now we don't have any value for degree F, that is Fahrenheit. So write degree F as it is equal to bracket open degree C. Degree C means centigrade temperature. So what is the centigrade? 35 degree. So write here 35. After writing 35, copy this as it is, multiply symbol. So write multiply, write 9/5 as it is, 9/5 as it is, bracket close plus 32. I hope you get. Now as I don't have space here, so I am writing here. I am solving the remaining question here in this part. So degree F is equal to, now in the chapter of fraction what we have studied? We have studied that numerator get multiply with numerator and denominator will get multiply with denominator. As here there is no number in the denominator, so we always consider 1 in denominator of each number, right? So bracket open 35/1 multiplied by 9/5 plus 32. Degree F is equal to, now you know that numerator will get multiplied with numerator, denominator will get multiplied with denominator. So multiply 35 with 9. And 1 into 5 is 5. When I multiply 35 with 9, my result is 350. Bracket close plus 32. Always remember, we always solve the bracket first. And what bracket is saying here? Bracket is saying that 115 divided by 5. So in rough work divide 115 by 5. So if I divide 150 by 5, 5 6 are 30, 31 minus 30, 1 is left. Now 1 is smaller than the 5. we cannot divide, so note down, bring down this next number here. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 15, 0 is remainder. So what is our quotient? 63 is our quotient. So when we divide 315 by 5, our result is 63 plus 32. Now I am erasing this rough one. Degree F is equal 63 plus 32. 63 plus 32 is 95. So 35 degree C is equals to 95 in Fahrenheit scale. 35 degree centigrade